We are currently at the crime scene of Stitch, who was murdered in cold blood. Skilled detectives were able to collect DNA evidence from a bloody spoon found at the scene. The evidence was then taken to the lab to undergo analysis. Here are jails that show the results of amplifying two VTNR loci from fingerprints found at the scene from Lilo, the witness, and four possible suspects: Penny, Oscar, Jafar, and Goofy. Looking at VNTR locus 1, Lilo can be excluded from leaving the DNA evidence at the scene because her alleles do not match up with the DNA sample. The same can also be said for Penny, Oscar, and Jafar because although they share one allele with the sample, both of their alleles do not match up. Both of Goofy's alleles and Daffy's alleles match up with the DNA evidence, but we can't make any conclusions until we look at another locus. Looking at VNTR locus 2, Lilo, Penny, Oscar, and Jafar are already excluded because their alleles did not align with the alleles from the sample in locus 1. Goofy's alleles still match up with the DNA evidence while Daffy's doesn't, which means that Goofy is the only one with a profile that's consistent with leaving the DNA evidence at the crime scene. Also, a side note, the DNA fingerprint analysis is consistent with Penny being Oscar's child because she shares only one allele with him from both loci, as you can see here and here. And that's because the other two alleles come from her mother.